The cars are starting. I need these. These are headphones so my ears don't burn to death because they're louder than the buses. Oh, by the way, there's somebody named Trevor, and he's my friend at my pop's house. He is number 12. I'll show him when they start. I'm gonna get these on though while it's paused. Well, the video's paused. I recommend getting off now if you don't like loud noises. Yeah, I recommend getting off if you don't like loud noises. So if you don't like loud noises, get off now because it's gonna be louder than buses. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go grab my chair since I moved it. Oh, my friends. I see the cars. Do you see that going light down there? If I'm correct, that's my friend's car, Trevor. He has a GoPro on there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the footage off of it, but I'm hoping. Yep, I think that's him. Mind you, I might not be able to film the entire thing since, you know, my phone's running low on space, so yeah, I might not be able to film the entire thing, but I hope I can, but yeah. Oh, the bus is just leaving because they had girl racing on the buses then, and I didn't want to film that, so I did. But yeah, that's the bus that I wanted to go on. But yeah, it's time for the actual race cars. Yes. Yes, I'm happy. Yay, I'm very happy. Why are they so loud? Hello. Yep. That green right down there is my friend's car, Trevor. He is there. Green light. I will actually definitely help keep track of him. Remember, this is loud. I'll show you when it starts. Should try getting him while he goes around. Oh my gosh, that is loud. Louder than before because they have all the cars. But yeah, I'm gonna try showing you my friend's car. That is him right there in the green light number 12. Come on. There he is. I hope he wins. I'll keep taking over the photo, but yeah. I hope he wins. I'll come back when they start. I'll come back when they start if you didn't hear me. If you see any cars wiggling right now, that typically means they're testing the track. Remember, the green light is my friend Trevor. They're coming over to stop. This might be the best video I ever made. I'm hoping this is the best video I ever made. Now we wait for the green light. The green flag, one of those two. It's a go! Keep track of the green light on one of the cars. Remember, that's my friend. I think I would have got a billion times though. number 3 just turned around a little. Looks like they got flipped around. Like, turned around like that. But, yes, this might be my coolest or funnest video ever. Well, at least for me. There he goes. I see him. Right there. Number 12. I hope he wins. I don't know if you can see that dust, but there's a lot of dust. Number 3's back on the track. It should start again very soon. Seriously, number 20's in the lead. I wish Trevor was. I don't care. Because they're gonna keep going. Come on, get the green light. Where would it go? Green light's coming. Over there. There's a light over there with the green. Somewhere. Keep facing the wall. And let's go again! Let's go again! Oh, come on! I don't know what number that is, but when he flips around, I will be back. It seems like everybody came in for a push down. Got it. Looks of it. Everybody's taking a bike, I guess. I mean, yeah. Where's the only ambulance here going? Hopefully nobody gets hurt then. So the only ambulance is going somewhere. It's so loud. Just be a go. I'll come back when it's a go. I just figured out which number was the one who turned around that time. 17. That's the one. Oh yeah, we got a red light. If you didn't see that already. Or I don't even think you've seen it, but I think it's almost time. That car over there has been unresponsive for quite a while. I hope he starts moving to where we can go. That car. He's over there at the very back. By the looks of it, they're moving up to the truck over there. By the looks of it. I mean, that's what they're doing. But some of the cars are not. But they're slowly moving. I wonder if Trevor's gonna move. Well, there's a better look at the car. Yeah. Oh, yep, he's going. Nobody else is, so why not him? Just sitting in my chair at 12, watching the cars doing absolutely nothing because the red light. But yeah, I hope it goes up soon. You know, I don't like the feeling right now, especially Trevor. I mean, they've been sitting there for quite a while because that red light. And there's spun out guy over there. He doesn't look spun out, but he spun out by what I'm told from the map. But yeah. They've been sitting there for a while. I'm hoping to come back when the race has started. But yeah. I got a piece of dirt from the track. I think they're fine. I don't know. Off that screen I can see better for you guys since it's not so far, but yeah. Everything looks fine. But they're still waiting there. Guess what? I just found more dirt. This is so boring. I've been thinking I am just gonna quit it here and make it second part because I'm wasting so much battery. So yeah, I'm gonna make a second part because I'm wasting so much battery. Please subscribe and bye!